What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video we got a new piece of gear in. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video we got a new piece of gear in. Here it is. Get this to focus so you guys can see it. It's the Klark Teknik 2A-KT, man. Yes, sir, man. The Klark Teknik 2A-KT. Enough of me talking. Let's head over to the table and unbox it. All right, fam. So here we have the Klark Teknik 2A-KT. Classic leveling amplifier with vacuum tubes, optical attenuator, and Midas transformers. Let's check it out real quick. It's the front of the unit. As you can see, your limit or compress switch, pre-emphasis. You have your output gain. Here's your meter. You have your peak reduction. You have your meter. You could pick output plus 10, gain reduction or output plus 4. Here's your power switch. Here's the Klark Teknik branding. Let's check out the back. The box pretty much says the same thing on every side. You'll see the 2A-KT on there. The 2A-KT. The classic leveling amplifier. You'll see that all around the packaging. Let's check out the back. Here's the back of the unit. Here's your plug for the power supply. This is how you can calibrate your meter. Stereo link. You have your output, input. You can use XLR or a balanced TRS cable. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we get. It's pretty well packaged in there. Here's a manual. Power supply. And the unit is pretty snug in there. Let's go ahead and grab this unit out of this box. All right, fam. So here's the unit. It's a well-built unit, in my opinion. Feels pretty good in the hand. Got some nice weight to it. If you're used to using the Teletronics LA2A, this is slightly smaller. This is going to take up 2 rack slots. Here's your limit compress button here. You have your pre-emphasis. You have your output gain here. Knobs feel pretty good. They're plastic, but they're not super cheap feeling, in my opinion. I wish they were stepped. That would be pretty dope. You have your meter. You have your peak reduction. You have your meter switch. You can have output plus 10, gain reduction, output plus 4. I like to have mine on gain reduction. It's your power switch on off. Your Klark Teknik branding. I said the unit feels pretty good in hand. It got some solid weight to it, man. Let's check out the back. Here's the back of the unit. Looks just like the box. This is where you plug in your power supply. It's where you calibrate your meter. Have a stereo link here. Output, input. Pretty self-explanatory, man. Let's check out the front again. Here's the front one more time. Yes, sure. Shout out to Klark Teknik for this, man. We're going to get this set up. Definitely going to bring some more videos to you guys about this unit. I've actually ordered a couple things for this unit I'm going to try and test out. But first, we're definitely going to put this unit to the test stock and see how this sounds. So like I said, we'll go ahead and get this put into the rack. We'll run some tests with it, and I'll come back with some more videos, man, to see if this is a pretty inexpensive option to LA2As. You know, you have Warm Audio has one, Lindell Audio. There's a bunch of companies that make LA2A style opto compressors, man. We had to get this one a try, so shout out to Klark Teknik. Like I said, this was just an unboxing video. I'll come back with some more videos about this. Yes, sir. That was the Klark Teknik 2A-KT. What do you guys think about it? In my opinion, it's a well-built, quality compressor, man, for the money. It feels really well in hand. Knobs are a little plastic, but it still feels well built. Got some nice weight to it. Can't wait to get it in the rack, man, so you guys can hear how it sounds, so I can hear how it sounds. I heard some great things about it, man, so I'm anxious to get it hooked up and get it put to the test. Like I said, if you have one, let's talk about it in the comments below. Was it worth the money or is it trash? Let me know before I hook it up. Let me know before I put it to the test, man. Off first glance, it's a nice built compressor, man. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. That's the place where you can reach out to me for mixing and mastering services. There's a bunch of ebooks and templates on my site as well. Also, be sure to check out the affiliates page, man. That's the place where you can help the channel continue to grow. And I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.